Hello YouTube, it's me Yogesh. So today I'm gonna do an experiment. I have this Pioneer Champion Pro 3003D4. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it in this box. This is box for DD612 2.75 cubic feet, or it should be 2.5 at least. So this is bigger box. I was always curious to try this up into bigger box than the company recommendation, and let's see how it goes. Now coming to the box, this is made in Delhi box, and my Viper Audio box was better than this. Why, I will tell you now. This is fiber glassed, but this is very thin layer of fiber glassing. Only it is used as a sealant, not real fiber glassing. So check this out. This MDF is not pure MDF. This is combination of kind of papers all together, and I will show you why the Viper Audio box is different. Because it has the real MDF, it is the branded MDF, and you won't see this type of cracks in that Viper Audio box. Can you see this? See, this is type of papers. This should not come out. Okay, this is cheapest type of MDF available. Whenever you drill the hole, you should only get the powder and not the cracks or type of paper. Okay, check this out. So this sheet costs around 2000 or 2500 for complete sheet. The size of sheet is 4 by 8, 4 feet by 8 feet. And if you go for branded Greenply or any branded MDF sheet board, 75 mm, so sorry, 18 mm, so that costs twice of it. Okay, why is it so? Because it has different properties, and even if you do like this, you will feel the difference. Okay, the sound damping properties are different for both of the MDFs. Now I will temporarily install this up in this bigger box, and my motive was to experiment how is the performance in the bigger box, because this does wonders in my existing 1.85 cubic feet box. And if I went for bigger box, it should go even lower. I don't know whether it will be louder or not, but it should at least go lower than what it is right now. Okay, stay tuned for more. I will now give you the demo. Hello YouTube, so I installed the box. This is bigger box for DD612 2.75 cubic feet. This is bigger than what is recommended by the company. Temporarily fixed it. As you can see, the screws are not fully snug fit, as there is difference in hole cutout of DD612 and this Pioneer Champion Pro. So I hope you got idea of the enclosure. It's pretty big than my previous Viper Audio enclosure, and I will show you the performance now. It has occupied my whole wood. I won't go too loud as the screws are not mounted fully. Now I will roll down the windows and show you how it sounds out of the car. So what is my conclusion? So let me be honest over here. This box is made for DD612, but I don't know DD is not having port noise or what, but this sub is having lot of port noise from here, which was not the case with my Viper audio enclosure. There is no curve. Viper audio enclosure was built so well. Also the MDF quality of Viper audio enclosure is better than this one, as I said before. Still I have some space left. I can get even bigger box, but is bigger always better all the time? So I would say I'm little bit loud in this enclosure, but I'm missing the tonal performance and the perfect efficiency, the lows. I'm pretty happy with this one also, but if you are on optimum design as recommended by a company, you will have perfect combination of punch and lows, okay, which I am missing in this enclosure. This goes down and is louder but different frequency notes, and the most irritating thing over here is its port noise. I don't know what's wrong with this port, but I'm getting a lot of port noise over here. Now I'm gonna try DD612 in the same enclosure, as DD it doesn't make sense to try DD in smaller enclosure. As you all know, DD subs love the big ass box like this one, so I'll try DD in this enclosure. Actually, I wanted to show you what happens if we try bigger enclosure than the recommendation of company. Most of guys out there do that. I won't say they are doing wrong. They are enjoying their own tonal performance. They might be loving the way sub acts. Actually, the brands, the pure SPL brands like Didi or Sundown, those subs love big ass boxes, especially the Didi. So you won't see Didi sub in smaller box most of the time. Whereas this is Pioneer, and this is also SPL series, the Pro series. But the company, this is international company, and they keep in mind the common man. Okay, they don't build the subs for crazy bass heads. That's why this sub is more suited for the smaller or the optimum design, as I said, below 2 cubic feet. This is 2.75 cubic feet enclosure. It is pretty big for it. So that was my review. If you have any questions, drop your complete comments below. Thank you.